This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you how to use KT tape to help with swelling of the foot and ankle. This helps with foot, ankle, and leg pain. Goodness, Nova, what's up? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, everybody knows to like, follow, and subscribe. Who doesn't want to empower their healing? Unlike other ways you can apply KT tape, the prep work is a bit more. But don't worry, I will walk you through it. You will need two 10-inch eye strips and a pair of scissors. They do have to be cut in a very specific way. First, mark 1 to 2 inches for your base. Some tapes come with paper backing that is already marked. For this one, since it's already marked, I'm just making a little tick right here. Once the bases are both marked, you are cutting the 8 inches left into 4 long pieces to the baseline you made, keeping them attached to that base like this. And now that the KT tape is prepped, make sure to clean the site. You can use soap and water, alcohol wipes for the skin, or hand sanitizer. Make sure to avoid the moisturizing hand sanitizer. I'm using alcohol wipes. Once the foot, ankle, and lower leg are clean and dry, while seated, tear the paper backing covering the base. You don't want to remove the backing for the strips yet. Pro tip, you can remove the edges like this and replace them lightly so it's easier to get them off later. Trust me. Apply the base to the foot with no tension, like so. Then peel back the backing of your first strip, leaving an inch, applying 15 to 20% tension, and lay it along the back of the leg like you're creating the far edge of a fan. Remove the rest of the backing and apply the base with no tension. Repeat with the other 3 strips going along the ankle and up the leg. In the end, it should look something like this. Now you're doing the same thing on the other side, like this. As always, rub that KT tape to activate the adhesive. As you can see, once done, I have a lot of coverage. This gentle pull up on your fascia encourages the fluid up, especially when combined with safe, gentle movement and/or elevation. Yes, you can cut smaller strips if you want to, and if they get too thin, they will break and be less effective. When the strips start to come off, make sure to trim them like this. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.